Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, I know I literally look like I've just woken up because I kind of have, but I realised I haven't filmed an introduction to this video. Basically, I wanted to just reorganise it and just make sure everything in my wardrobe are pieces that I really love, because I found over the last few years I've just bought clothes but I haven't really necessarily loved them. So recently I've been doing a bit more shopping. I feel like my wardrobe is at a place where I like everything that's in it. I just kind of cleared out a few things and reorganised it and thought I would share it with you all. We're gonna open up the wardrobe. So this is the main bit. This isn't too bad, like most of this stuff I'm probably gonna end up keeping. This is the more summery wardrobe plus long stuff. And then I've just got like underwear and socks and stuff and a pair of boots. This one is more of like my winter stuff. So I've got like jumpers and stuff. And then I have these are all of my shoes. I've got this set of drawers, which when I redo my room will be changing, but they're about the same amount of drawers anyway. So I've just got jeans, which may be changing because they don't really fit. I've got like hoodies in here. This is the pajama drawer and this is the sportswear. I'm gonna start organising this pile. I'm just gonna separate them into different piles, so like pajamas, tops. This is a new top I got and it is so cute. I really love this. Same with this, both from Shein. This is also new. A cute little bikini from ASOS. Since 1995, growing up, same street, you, me. Okay, so that was quick. All of that stuff is probably going to be keep, but I'm going to empty out my wardrobe now. Also, with some of my new tops, I've got buttons, so I'm going to keep them separate just so I can not lose them. Can we play rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me. Okay, so here is what I'm looking at. It's kind of excessive, I'm not gonna lie. Thing is though, is that I don't know how much of it I'm actually going to get rid of, but at least I'm going to be reorganising it and getting it all nice again. Let's just start with this end and start getting this end clear. I have a few hoodies that I just don't wear anymore. So this Hollister hoodie, I just don't wear anymore. It's just, I like hoodies that go tighter, like at the waist, if you get me, whereas this one just goes like straight down. I do like this grey hoodie, I just struggle to wear it sometimes, but I do wear the grey one. This one I don't wear out because it literally says Wildcats, but this is the perfect hoodie for me because it's so oversized, it goes in, it fits really nicely, so that's a keep. See you there with a broken heart if you knew. Jeans, I'm not even going to get rid of any of these because I've got a jeans order coming soon. I have so many sweatshirts, but I like them all. This one is a keep because I love this, especially in the winter with a turtleneck. This green one, I love. I wear all the time. This one, see, I love the colour of this, but the fit just isn't right. It's just a bit too tight for it to be a sweatshirt. This is from the men's section, but the sleeves are just very tight, so I might give that a miss. See, this, I don't know what to do about it because I look like I'm in prison where I wear it, but I love the size. I think I might just wait and order a different one. This is the same as the green, but a size smaller, but I think I'm just going to order a different colour because I do look like I'm in prison where when I wear this. Like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so Okay, so it doesn't look like a ton, but it actually is. I did quite a big clear out not that long ago. So to be able to get rid of all of this stuff, I'm actually quite pleased. Yeah, there were some things I was really struggling to decide between. But in the end, I was like, I've not worn them in ages, so they may as well go. This is what the piles are looking like. I know it's still a lot, but like, this is all dance stuff, which I need. And like, yeah. Okay, so I've had a little like tea and cupcake break. I've not had my tea yet, but I've had my cupcake. I'm going to start hanging things up. This is actually not taking that long. I need to figure out what's going to go where. So I'm going to start with the drawers, I think, because that will get the majority of my clothes out of the way, and then I can start putting it in my wardrobe. Oh, it's a bit lopsided. So I've had a lunch break. I'm glad I've kind of finished the drawers. I know when I get my new set of drawers, I'm gonna have to completely reorganize it because the drawers are like half the size smaller. I'm just gonna have to like put some stuff. I'm thinking of maybe hanging up my jeans, like just folding them over rather than putting them in here because I don't think there's gonna be space. So yeah, we're just gonna have to see how it goes. I'm gonna have some little boxes under my bed, so that'll be fine. But my most important drawers are my like workout drawer and my pajama drawer. Now I actually need to tackle my wardrobe, which I'm not looking forward to. Ignore the look. I did an ab workout and I showered and I've had dinner, so it's quite kind of late and we're watching a movie in a minute, so I need to hurry up and hang my clothes up.
Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you.
So honestly, I'm not sure I'm gonna fit everything in this half because, I mean, obviously I need to take the hangers out, but because I've got like a lot of like dresses, so it's not just my tops, it's dresses and it's trousers and it's shorts, so we're gonna have to just kind of go with it. Have an idea. Wait, you can't even see. So I've got these drawers here which I have underwear in, but this drawer used to have my fluffy socks which I've moved, so I'm gonna plan on moving these, so I might put some of my like trousers in here instead, just to give me a bit more space. But I'm gonna see how we go because I was thinking of putting bikinis in here, but if not, I have this which I can use for something, so we'll just roll with it. We'll see what happens.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend.
I'm leaving this here. I'm going to finish putting everything else away tomorrow. We're just going to watch Allegiant as a family. So yeah, this is what the floor is currently looking like. So yeah, I think I am going to put them in a drawer because I think the whole wardrobe space I have now works better.
You act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play? Tell me that you love me and you need me, but leave me out to dry. Oh, why? Oh, why?
Hey, Okay, so I thought I would do the final overview. So this half of the wardrobe. So I've obviously got all of my fancier stuff. So I've got like some jumpsuits, my prom dress. Then I've got the more like wearable, fancier stuff. So I've got like some black dresses, some jumpsuits, play suits, dresses, that kind of jazz. Then we've got the t-shirts, which go light to dark. And as you can see, I do have quite a few like white t-shirts now. I literally had like none before, but it's fine. So we've got them. Then we've kind of got the pinks, and we've got the purples and the yellows and the oranges. There's obviously a few pieces missing because I've worn them over the last few days and they're in the wash. This is literally nearly a week after I started filming, so we can ignore that. These are just like the underwear drawers. These are now the trousers. As I see, a pair is missing. I got these jeans yesterday, and yeah, so I moved my jeans into this drawer because I realised once I get my new drawers, they're just not going to fit, so I would rather just keep all my bottoms in here. Then when it comes to winter, I will probably fold up the shorts so they're smaller, so my jeans can take up more space. And then down here are some bikinis. This might have to change because I am receiving an order of bikinis very soon, but for now I've just piled them up, kind of my favourites at the top. So this one is just like a H&M and ASOS and stuff, so they are all just kind of staggered. Like they've still got the little things in the bottom because I haven't been able to wear them. It's got kind of like the cover-ups. There were some flip-flops here, but I wore them the other day, and like bucket hats and a cap. Then this wardrobe is pretty similar, to be fair. I didn't clear out a ton of stuff. I'm missing a couple cardigans that I've worn. But yeah, so these are all of my long sleeve tops. Again, going darkest to lightest. This is one of my favourites. This is from Misguided. And then I've got like my sweatshirts and my knitted stuff. This is one of my new favourite knitted jumpers. This is only from Primark, but it's got balloon sleeves and I love it. And then some of my favourite cardigans, which are from Hollister. I've got 2 of them. And then just my work tops. Shoes wise, I'm missing a pair which I wore the other day. But these are like the more trainer stuff. These are what I wear to work, and then these are more like, these I never wear unless I'm going to dance because I can just slip them on, but these are kind of my nicer ones. These are full of sand from the beach. And then these are more everyday shoes. I just have a pair of black slip-ons here, but I've got like my Converse and my Vans. These are one of my favourite shoes, Diodoras, and just some like simple ones. But I love the way of storing these. And then I've got my heels all back here. Up here now literally is just having my belts, but when I get my new drawers, there's a little tiny drawer that I'm going to store my belts in. And this is my hoodies. Obviously I'm missing one which I was wearing this morning, but yeah, I don't have too many of them now. I've got my pyjama drawer, which that is folded, how dare it. But yeah, so I've got like my bottoms, my sets, and like one pieces, fluffy socks, which I actually have more to put in here, oops, and all of my tops. And then my sportswear, which again is empty because I've been doing the 2-week ab challenge, so some of the t-shirts are missing and the bottoms and sports bras, but this is all of the stuff here. So I've got all of my dance tights, sports bras, like leggings and shorts, my work tops and my tops, and then my nude dance bras. I hope you enjoyed this video. To be fair, I'm proud of how much I managed to clear out because I did clear it out not that long ago. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!
I can't breathe without your